Morning, the time is 10 o'clock. So finally we made it to Pangong Lake. This is the place we stayed. It has full of apple trees. See, this is their house and we got a stay over there. We stayed there. Premium rooms are also available. It's just 1,000 rupees per night. The house name is Traveler's House. If anyone watching this video coming over here, do visit and stay over here. Thank you. Time is 3 o'clock and now we are leaving for Pangong. It's 6 hours journey. The time is 4:10. We are leaving now. We had a issue with petrol can which we bought, so went to change it and it took a lot of time. According to people, it will take 4.5 or 5 hours. We still have to have our lunch. Reach Pangong by 10 o'clock. The Leh Pangong roads are half of the road is good and half of the road is full of road. So by the time we reach Pangong, it will be like 10 o'clock or 11, even 12, I guess. I don't know what time we'll be reaching. We are on the rough patch of the road. From last 3 kilometers it is rough patch. I did not make video, but this is how the road is. So we are at this, the mighty Changlangla Pass, altitude 17,688 feet. It's freezing cold. It's so freezing cold. It's 3 degrees. Yesterday's road was far better than this. Actually, people were putting up their tent. I have parceled my tent to home. Just see the stars if you can see. Just look. So this is the worst part where the lorry has to cross. Chalo chalo bhai. So it did not touch. भाई उधर उस तरफ चलो भाई just listen to the wind sound. Google map brought us in the wrong way. First water crossing. गाड़ी भी नहीं, गाड़ी कैसे लेके आ? गाड़ी कौन सा लेके आओ? शायद बाइक लेके आए ना। बाइक तो आप लोग ना मतलब बाइक का रोड हम गाड़ी लेके आए, हम भी लेके आए आप। Good morning. The time is 10 o'clock. Yesterday night we reached around 10:30. It was very cold and I was feeling so suffocated, so I did not make any videos last night. I directly went and slept. I didn't even do the stargazing. Ashwin did. So look at the view. Ooh. It's really good. TO here is made very good. So this is the Great Pangong Lake. My bike is not getting turned on as the battery is down. It started. Woohoo! Wow, just look at the color of water. It's full blue. Actually, we did not choose this road. We came through another road which was not that good, so my bike got stuck over there. This is the road from which we should have actually come over. Now heading to the place where Three Idiots movie was shot. So finally we made it to Pangong Lake. Woo. Just look at the watercolor. It's so blue. Ashwin, your experience? No words to speak. That's how we enjoyed seeing the world's famous Pangong Lake and the spot where Three Idiots movie was shot. It's a good experience. So now we are heading to Sumurori. There's a shortcut road for that. We are going in that road. Sir, अभी ये Sumurori को कैसे जाने का? How should we go, sir? Straight? Oh, thank you. These are the views you'll get on the way to Sumurori in the shortcut route. The actual route for Sumurori is you have to go back to the Karoo, which is around 20 kilometers far from Leh, and from there you have to go. It's a long way and we choose this shortcut. Let's see how it will be. Look at the roads. There are no roads over here. It's not road. It's mud. We are riding through the mud. Crazy. That's these stones. The actual road for Sumurori is not this road. It's from the other way. The other way was under construction, so we just took this road. I got stuck in this mud and I have to come back on my own now. Fuck. I should have never chosen this road. Oh shit. We have cancelled going back to Sumurori as it is taking too long in this road. So
this plan is cancelled. Maybe next time I can do it. Our plans got changed. We are heading back to Leh now. We had an issue with the people who had to send our luggage back, so we are heading back to Leh.
It's so cold. It's freezing cold. Just hear to the sound of wind. How fast it is. Hear the sound of the wind. That's how fast the wind is. Don't know at what speed it is. I didn't even wear this gloves in rain.
This is the same road from which we came the last night. If you have seen, I was stuck in the place where the truck has to pass by me. So this is that place. This roads in August, June, July, August, it will be full of snow. We are in wrong time, so this is what we get. Mud is what we get now. But if you come during August seasons, so you will find snow over here. So the update for now, the courier people said they will do it and will be sending the receipt to our respective houses, but now they are even not receiving the call from our parents. And from our side, whenever we got network, we called them, they are not receiving. That's why it's almost around 15,000-20,000 items are over there. I alone purchased 10,000, 11,000 items, and Ashwin has also purchased the same amount of items from Leh market. So we can't leave them like that, and we can't go further. So we decided to go, and it's fucking freezing. It's freezing like hell. We came by this road yesterday, and today we are riding it back again. Climbing 17,892 meters, I guess 17,000 feet. This is an army base actually. This place has a very big army base. It's almost, I have seen 3 kilometers. There are bunkers, there are tankers, everything is there. So this is the base for Pangong, I guess, as China border is also very near, around 50-60 kilometers. So now we are climbing. I don't have charge in my GoPro, so I can't be making any further vlogs. If it is there, I'll do, or else I can't. So we'll go to Leh at any condition, and then at the end we'll see. Tomorrow we have to go to those courier office, and we'll take back our items and parcel it to the Indian Post. We'll not send it with them. 2 days they took just to do a receipt thing. Seriously. That's why I'll go, we'll take it, and then we'll leave for Jispa. So Morori is cancelled because the roads are very bad, and one day is already wasted. Tomorrow at any cost we need to reach somewhere. We'll go, we'll do. So we are wasting our days. Simply we are wasting our days. See these lorry people, just see how we'll come on us. Yesterday 2 times it happened. They literally came and came in front of me. I was not recording, so I don't have the footages to prove, but they did come in front of me like hell. Oh, the cold over here is very bad. So we are back to Leh. We'll go back to that same traveler's house and ask for another day stay. So we'll be heading back to home from tomorrow onwards. We'll go from Tanglangla tomorrow. We'll pass the Tanglangla pass, and from Manali we'll be heading to home.